Hey folks, welcome back to Simple Details and welcome to another vlog. So today's vlog is going to be surrounding this vehicle right here, this 2019 RS3. The first thing that's on the agenda is to go ahead and do a large amount of performance modifications. All right, hence why it's in our performance studio here. Customer had a goal in mind when it came down to this RS3. He's had it for a while, but he was getting kind of bored with it. So we're going to change the whole thing up. But first, like I said, we're going to beef up not only the sound, but then also we're going to beef up that horsepower and torque. Going to make it sound and feel a whole lot better, and then hopefully it's going to exceed the customer's expectations when it comes down to the modifications and the performance of the vehicle. So we are now on to the next step in this full color change transformation. And keep in mind, we are doing this color transformation by way of colored paint protection film. This film that we're using has multiple purposes. Not only are we going to change the color and aesthetics and the full characteristics of this car, we're also utilizing this thicker film for protection of the paint underneath. In order to make sure that we don't have any of this current color seeping through this installation, it requires this amount of disassembly and more. Now is moving on to the installation of the film. All right, folks, so we have finally gotten to the finish line with this project here. This is now called Leaf Green. This is one of many colors that we offer with our color paint protection film options. Not only give him the aesthetic look that he was looking for, but then also to protect the vehicle's paint underneath from any kind of abrasive damage such as rock chips or scratches. It's also infused with ceramic coating. It's going to give you the same hydrophobic effects as if we were to add a ceramic coating to it. We finally got it dialed in and transformed this vehicle to our client's expectations, make sure that his vision came to fruition. So it's time to deliver it and give you some insight as to his first reaction to him seeing his brand new, to him, RS3. And there she is.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is great. Better than I was anticipating. Yes. Oh my goodness. This looks great. I had it in my mind, but to see it in the flesh is just completely different. And it's just, it reminds me of generating a car like on Forza or Gran Turismo.
Yep.
And doing the kind of the sweep around and looking at it, and then you finally see it and you're just like, oh, that's an actual real thing. So what we did with the car was a full wrap. We had stage 2 performance updates on the car, full exhaust change and modifications as well. a custom steering wheel, as well as adding on suspension and BBS LMs all across. From the very beginning, I talked with Johannes about this project, what I was looking for, what I wanted aesthetically, performance-wise, with exterior and interior modifications, and it was a good bit of planning. Say I'm blown away is totally an understatement. Hit it out of the park without a doubt. The reputation for the organization precedes itself. There's a single other shop here in Hampton Roads that I would trust besides Simple Details. How I would hope to have expected from the factory, but only given the simple detail touches, is it now truly perfection.